Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can change Steam currency. So it's very simple. Just open up Steam, and right over here you just need to be on the main side, and right over here you have to press on your account and then go to account details. Once you go to account details, inside your account details you'll see the option of your update country, store country. Just simply press on that. Once you do that, you have to press on contact Steam support, and once this is loaded up, what you have to do is just press on contact Steam support again, and now you gotta choose your country of residence wherever you want to change your currency towards. So let's say you want somewhere in Germany. So let's say I want to change my currency to euros, and like this. Now you can just press on apply and send, and your currency will be changed after a few hours or days. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.